My name is Johannes Bauer from S+B Group. We're a private family company from Austria, and we are developing projects in Romania, Poland, Czech Republic, Austria of course. And the last year was a very busy year. We developed a few projects and we're selling them. We're also buying new projects. Here in Warsaw we bought a building on Senatorska Street. On the other side we are constructing the building Widok Towers directly at the metro station Centrum. We sold a few months ago the Królewska office building, and we still operate the Hampton by Hilton Hotel in the city center. On the other side, we're also investing in the other countries. We are finishing 2 office projects in Prague. We are selling them. We have another new office project on Napříkope Street in Prague. We're already working on the next projects in Prague, trying to buy them. Of course, we're also selling the ones we have finished. Very similar in Romania, we have some finished buildings there. We're buying new projects. And of course in Austria we have at the moment 10 projects, offices, residential and student hotels. So at the moment we are having a lot of fun with our projects, and it's a great pleasure to be here at this event because it's a great networking event with many international players from all branches, and it's good to meet all the people, and I'm especially very happy because I see that the event is growing each year and becoming really professional and the market leader actually. So I'm enjoying the evening here, and I'm looking forward to come next year again.